Hi, I'm Tony Godfrey from Sinclair Buick-GMC. Due to the recent chip shortage, you may have noticed that there's been limited availability on certain products such as the factory-installed rear seat media on Yukons. We've worked around that with products such as the Vox rear seat media and this Yukon Denali, which I'm going to show you how to work today. Our first step is turn it on, locate the power button at the bottom of the screen. So unlike the factory screens, this has a couple features that the factory doesn't allow you to do, such as DVD player located on this side of this screen. You also have an HDMI port located on the right side of the other screen. Inside, you can browse the web, download anything from Google Play Store, and log in to the built-in apps Hulu, Netflix, and Disney+. If you go to Google Chrome, we can browse online, go to YouTube, YouTube TV, or any other news station that you want to go to. Now with this screen, you can also browse the internet and log into the Netflix and Disney Plus apps built in, but you need Wi-Fi for that. So in comes Yukon's built-in Wi-Fi service or any other personal Wi-Fi hotspot that you have on your device. Once you're connected, select one of the apps and start enjoying it. Some great news for the parents. There's a free Vox app in the App Store, which will let the parent up front control the screens with their phone. Much like the factory screens, they can be tilted for better viewing. You can share dual screens and come with their own headphones. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions about this product or any other accessories or technology that we offer, please contact me today.